We just steal it out of
you.
Grab the cup. Grab the cup, Ava.
Right, stick it out the window.
Ava, grab the
What
cup.
cup?
The cup right there that you put right there.
Oh.
Yeah, hang on to it.
Hang on to it. Hang on tight.
No?
Ava, I'm giving this
Pick it
one.
up.
No, I am.
No,
I'm
he
only
likes the
giving
carrots.
this one to the. Ava, I'm giving this one to the big horn. Ava, look at. I'm giving this one to the big horn.
Watch out, Ronnie.
La, 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 la. There you go. Almost bit my hand. No. Go. Go beat it.
Go beat it.
Yay. Beat it. I'm giving
These, you know, I was talking about putting animals back in the wild. You can't get these ones back in the wild. These would never survive in the wild.
These ones die too quickly. They're not fast.
They're not eating the grain.
No, there's carrots and celery. Why would you eat grain?
I'll put this right here. I'm gonna feed some.
Elk,
Mama!
the elk like the grain, that's for sure.
Mama! Mama, don't eat the green. Llama, 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 llama.
Here it comes, Ava.
Oof.